For many years, the Plus 8 trouser was the cornerstone of the Fletcher Jones clothing business.
The Plus 8 trousers were really what made Fletcher Jones famous, and the Plus 8 refers to an extra 8 inches of fabric that were in the waist. That meant the trousers had a beautiful drape at the front, and it also meant that if you put on a little bit of weight, you could actually let the trousers out.
The Plus 8 man became an important symbol for Fletcher Jones and adorned many of their buildings and sites, including the famous gardens at its factory in Warrnambool. As the company struggled, the Plus 8 man fell into disrepair and was finally removed about 10 years ago. But now, with the help of a 3D printer, he's back.
So we have one of the world's largest 3D printers in a Massivit 1800, it's called. It's basically some new technology that's come from Israel. Given the size of the objects that we can print, we can replicate large objects in full size.
To make the new statue, a Plus 8 man from the old Fletcher Jones building in Melbourne was scanned and then touched up before being printed and delivered to Warrnambool.
It's great to be part of trying to bring something back to life that's really hasn't been around for a long time and been in its full glory. So it's a nice thing to do.
Oh, I just think it's always been something special to people here in Warrnambool and people that come and visit here. And yeah, it was to me when I used to come down here as a little kid.
It's all part of the plan to restore the Fletcher Jones gardens. The Silver Ball was given a new coat of paint recently, and other features of the gardens are set to follow. But if you're after a new pair of Plus 8s, like these, you'd best check the op shops.